I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties, and we've listed a lot of homes in the Lake Stevens area. And typically on our videos, we talk about the charm. I think we've talked about Jenny Cookie, I think 3 times now. I do love a Jenny Cookie. But today we're gonna talk about the convenience of Lake Stevens, the box stores.
Thank you for shopping at Costco.
And with all that convenience in Lake Stevens, this home on 3/4 of a private acre is available to be purchased. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. Come take a look. So if you're looking for a home with all the charm of a small town, but the convenience of all the big box stores, and on 3/4 of a private acre, or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.